Hi friends. Uh, People are asking about the idea behind the formulation of Idea Factory. We know that in our surrounding there are a lot of brilliant people, highly educated and highly qualified. Sometimes some people have unique idea, but at the same time they didn't get the blessing to be a professor in a university or a teacher in a college, or maybe they didn't get a chance to be a corporate trainer in a particular company. But those people have a lot of brilliant idea. This property spreaded across the world. We call them the cognitive surplus. Idea Factory is an idea to bring this cognitive surplus into a particular platform. And many people from the different walk of their life, experts, they can join, they can be a part of this Idea Factory as an official member. So in that aspect, when you talk about the Idea Factory, you can call, in fact, Idea Factory is a networking place for the knowledge workers. This is the first aspect of the Idea Factory. Then second, there are a lot of interesting content and ideas, training, curriculum, syllabus and learning program you can bring in the repository of Idea Factory. So it will be a knowledge repository and an idea library. In this total, the inventory of these ideas, you can see normally it's presenting three type of people. The first category of the people, we call them, they are the extra special presenters, extra special idea presenters. Those people by birth, they got some uniqueness. They may have some abnormal experience in their life, or they may have some unique achievement in their life, and they may have some very interesting disrupting ideas from their imagination. These type of people, we call them extra special idea presenters. Those people can bring their idea, and our idea manager help them to design, to craft on the base of a new age academic compliance. This is the first category of the people. Second category of the people, we call them concept evangelists. That may be professors or subject experts, or some professionals. They are living for the idea, they are promoting those ideas, and they are standing for that one. These people, we call them concept evangelists. These professionals also can be the registered official partner of the platform. This is the second category. Third one, we call them new age subject experts. New age subject experts, mostly it may be the people from the Z generation. They are the people that they are coming maybe under 20, 25, 24, 23 year old. They have lot of, they are a rationally governed community. They are more logical, more rational. They have certain dream, they have certain idea about their future, where they are going to live. These people will bring certain courses, content, ideas, again that our idea manager help them to formulate in a standard academic format or a particular instructional designing model. This is the three type of people who can be the members and who can present their idea on the Idea Factory. Now, when you look into the library of the ideas which deployed in Idea Factory, you can see there are three categories of the idea. Number one, it may be more futuristic ideas. More futuristic idea means around 60% of the total learning content and the idea and the knowledge deployed or presented in Idea Factory platform, that will be about the future. The idea which is not existing right now, and world is evolving into that one. For example, the typical schooling and formal education system will evolve more into a virtual education model. This type of futuristic idea and the knowledge and the training and the teaching about this type of futuristic idea will be 60% in the total the knowledge and idea library deployed in the Idea Factory. Second one, about the contemporary subject. We are living in a very highly volatile and uncertain and confused or ambiguous world. And 30% of the concept or idea will talk about this, the VUCA state of the present world and the contemporary subject, where people are actively involving, debating, sharing through different platforms. And the third category, it may be about, that will be 10%. It may be about the past, the time which we passed. It may be maybe people will talk the thoughts, the idea, the knowledge we already consumed, but still there will be certain relevance to bring into the contemporary world and take into the future. So 10% of idea will be in this category. Idea Factory may have a two virtual presence. Number one, it's YouTube channel. More beautiful and engaging content we can deploy in YouTube channel after a certain compliance checking and after the clear academic compliance crafting. This is the first platform. The second one is the portal or the website, where we'll showcase, we'll introduce and all the members, and we'll bring their profile over there. After that, we will promote those people into the different part of the world. So the people who are bringing idea into the Idea Factory Pro platform, then after a scrutinizing process, then there is a responsible person called platform wrangler. He will do his own compliance checking. If it qualify, the content will take into Idea Factory's MOOC platform in the name of BI School. So Idea Factory is altogether an idea to attract the world cognitive surplus and promote that and bring that idea into the different part of the world among the more knowledge needy people. So it is a networking place, it is an idea content repository, and it is a place for the knowledge workers. So this is altogether the simple and humble idea behind Idea Factory. You all are welcome. You can contact our idea manager and the platform wrangler. They will guide you, help you to take your idea into the millions of the people across the world. Thank you. This is the simple idea behind Idea Factory. Thank you very much.